So hi everyone, welcome. So today I'm going to show how to do image analysis um, and use image analysis model and integrate with our system. For that, first let's see how it works. So what I wanted was if somebody attaches an image of a defect to an incident, I wanted to gather what is the type of image it is and populate the description with that image analysis directly. So I have this image of a broken laptop, and if I'll upload that, what I expect is my system automatically understands that this is a image of a broken laptop and puts it in a description. So let's just choose this file and this one, broken laptop, and save it. Okay. And as soon as it added here, you see, yeah, don't worry about this, but a laptop computer with a cracked screen sitting on a table, which I think is what I expected. Obviously it's not like a final model, but this model worked pretty well to find out what is the issue and put it in our system. Now, how did I do that? So first thing, what I wanted was, again, to find out a model which can do image analysis. Now for that, I have to go to the HuggingFace, again, models. And instead of searching for models, because sometimes it becomes very difficult, you have these computer vision models. So you have these categories available to you. Now, what I wanted was image to text. So if I'll click over there, uh, you can see and you can even compare. Oh, there are so many models, and one from Microsoft, Salesforce, different companies. And this is, I think, a latest model, and it's pretty good. So let's just check this one. And here you see this model is downloaded, yeah, many times, and there are many spaces which are using it. It has so many likes. So I can simply use this to get information. Now to get this model working, again, I have clicked on deploy inference API. I wanted to use this as an API to get the information. API URL is this, but now the input requires in a, so in the information here you see, so the file name dot read, that the code that is written in Python is basically looking for a binary data of that image. So if I'll go to the JavaScript, so you have different options over here. Um, you will see that again. So read file sync, even in curl, yeah, data.binary. So you understand that this is a binary information. So if we have to send this information to the system, we have to convert the image data into a binary format. And but so that's fine. Let's just go to our system, and we understand whenever we load a data in our incident, it goes to attachment table, right? So if I write a BR on attachment table for incidents, then it will be able to understand, okay, this is the data that I need to transfer. Okay. So what I've done, I created a BR on insert of sorry, if I'll open, so this is the attachment table. I'll open. So this is a BR that I've created. Now, if I'll open it, you will see that yeah, so it is running on insert. Table name should be incident. I don't want it to be running on everything. I can also use file name as PNG or JPEG so that it is not running on PDF or all those attachments as well. So once I do that, here is a very simple code. So I'm getting the data from the attachment table, and then here I have converted it into base 64. So instead of getting it into binary format, we understand that ServiceNow already provides an API to convert the data into base 64 format. And what I experimented was instead of giving the information only in data binary format, if we give it in a base 64 format, then also it worked. And this is where you will have to experiment a little with your codes when you are using those inference APIs, because converting into the binary format with server script may be difficult. So why not use something which is present out of box, which is base 64. So if you have a base 64 format available, then as you can see in the code, it becomes pretty much very simple. So we got the data of the attachment in the base 64 format, then that is the base 64 image, then call the REST message, the Salesforce image captioning, the same model that we wanted to use, then bearer token, it should be yours. It is not, so I've updated it. Don't try to copy this one. And in the request body, you have put the base 64 image, and then a bunch of error handlings, because obviously there can be many things which can go wrong if the file format is not fine, or all those things. And then in the incident, you see that I'm updating the description, and that is what I did over there. So with again, within 5-6 minutes, we were able to identify which model we want to use and connect it with ServiceNow. And with the help of base 64, we sent the data in a base 64 format to the HuggingFace model, and then HuggingFace model gave us the interpretation of that image. It is all of this is free, and it's very fast, as you saw. Like immediately it provided the description. And and it can be used at so many places, like if you are doing defect analysis in manufacturing, in many other places, when you're just clicking on the pic and it immediately giving you what this pic is all about: broken wires, broken broken laptops, and putting the information related to that pic on a certain place. So again, I will encourage you. So I will add this XML of this BR um, in the descriptions. Please use that to play with it. If you just update your bearer token, you don't have to do anything else. It will automatically will be added and to your PDI. So you can simply just use the whole thing by yourself. Everything will be working. So I encourage you to use it. Thanks.